elevation 1206 Zulu, weather, wind 030 at 5, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 4 Celsius, dew point -1, altimeter 3016.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Between Layers Aviation. I'm here with Fly TJ this morning, and we are also with Effie, Princess Effie, don't forget about her. We are headed up to Pellston, Michigan today to see my dad and give him the plane for a while. So it's a beautiful day here again in Lansing, Illinois, in the Chicagoland area, after a snowstorm yesterday and a lot of rain. But we're going to make the best of this wonderful weather now that we have and go flying.
The dogs have Instagram with us.
Yes. She's excited. She's always excited to jump in the plane and go somewhere fun.
Yeah. She wants to look out the window. That's that right. There you go.
So we'll go to runway 36 since winds are in that general direction and we're headed that way anyways. Right, Effie? Watch that cable, Effie. There you go. Lansing traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, departing runway 36, headed to the north, Lansing. Clear left, clear right. Birds here. Airspeed's alive. 90, 95, 100, 105, up we go. Tap the brakes, gear up. Gary Tower Twins. Just off of Lansing for runway 36. We'd like to transition through your airspace today to the north if we could.
66 Quebec, transition approved up to 3017.
Transition approved 3015, thanks, 66 Quebec.
3017.
3017, thanks. Maybe a little bit bumpy as we go here until we get through Gary and through underneath the Bravo.
What a gorgeous day.
It is. Nice view of the city there on the left.
Indeed. Boy, visibility is excellent today.
Yeah.
20 plus miles, I'm thinking.
Oh, it's smooth out here at 2500.
Not bad. Have a smooth ride over the lake. Awesome, we got a pretty respectable ground speed. 170 knots. Hour and a half to go.
Yeah, not too bad. Bit of a headwind, but we'll see here once we get higher to what we can do.
Got this cool little pouch for all my little session gadgets.
Nice.
Alright, get a little view of downtown. Looking beautiful. Right.
Effie.
Yeah, that's not going to work out too well, is it?
Alright, what's the new Chicago frequency? 126.05, is it?
Yeah.
Hey, Gary, 6 Quebec looks clear your airspace. I'd like to change frequencies.
Yeah, Quebec, free change, have a good day.
Alright, great. Have a good day. And I think we can get Chicago on 126.05 here. Is that correct?
Affirmative, 126.05.
Have a good one.
920.
Chicago approach southwest 3407 in the descent 8,300 to cross Haley at 6, 250 knots.
Southwest 3407, Chicago approach, advise the Zulu for Midway, expect our nav Yankee, runway 4 right.
Alright, we have Zulu, we'll expect the Yankee for 4 right, southwest 3407, thanks.
Southwest 4920, contact approach 119.35.
Approach 11935, southwest 4920, good day.
Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, request.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, Chicago approach, Midway altimeter 3016, they request.
3016, we are 7 miles north of Gary. I'd like to pick up flight following with you today on our way to Papa Lima, November. Type of aircraft, Cessna 310.
On departure, executive 572 is with you, 3000 heading 130.
Number 66 Quebec, squawk 5161.
516166 Quebec.
Executive 572, Chicago departure, radar contact, line maintain 6000.
6000, executive 572.
Southwest 3407, descend and maintain 4000.
17 4000, southwest 3407.
Twin Cessna 66 Quebec, radar contact 8 miles north of the Gary Airport, altitude indicates 2,500, remain clear of the Class Bravo and Charlie airspaces.
Position and altitude check, maintain clear Bravo 66 Quebec.
Ready? Trying to get Effie there, but that's alright. He's not paying attention.
Alright, so he's not going to let us into Bravo today. I thought he would with the direction of this wind, but...
Yeah. Yeah, plus we're going that way, so...
Yeah. Hey, F. We won't be,
576, turn right heading 180.
we won't be, in it long.
Executive 572.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, you got it up there.
And just confirm that was 180 heading for executive 572.
Executive 572, affirmative, turn right heading 180, climb and maintain 8000.
8000 heading 180, executive 572.
Number 66 Quebec, contact approach on 120.55.
12055 for 66 Quebec.
99.
Those, the numbers are 547 Romeo Kilo.
Correct. 574 Romeo Kilo.
547 Romeo Kilo, squawk 5114.
Squawk 5114 for Romeo Kilo.
Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, 2,500.
466 Quebec, Chicago approach, O'Hare altimeter 3014.
3014 for 66 Quebec.
They're not kicking out much heat.
544 Romeo Kilo, radar contact right over the
Not really, huh?
Keegan Airport, O'Hare
Need the temp
altimeter
control a little bit
3014, show you 3,500.
Put it all the way over.
That's correct. 3014 for Romeo Kilo.
For Romeo Kilo, what type aircraft are you?
Cirrus SR-22.
4 Romeo Kilo, roger, thanks. Just maintain VFR below the Class Bravo.
VFR below the Class Bravo. We'd like to arrange to pick up our instruments at Gary.
4 Romeo Kilo, roger. I'll make sure that your information's over at the appropriate sector then.
Thank you, 4 Romeo Kilo.
I wish I could capture this on camera. It just doesn't come out that great.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. The sun shining in.
The ripples on the water.
Yeah, super cool.
This is I think one of the best parts of this lake to northern Michigan for me is just kind of like you're in between, you know, land and, but sometimes you can't see both shorelines.
Yeah.
So just cutting across here.
Pretty cool.
Let's see if we see any freighters or anything today.
Oh, that's
Sometimes
a
I
good
do.
one.
Oop, felt a little bump there. Was that heavy moving or the wind changing?
Oh, it might have been a little wind shifter.
Yep, that's definitely a wind shift. Because Effie's sitting still.
Yes, she is.
5.5, 2,000 to go. I want to just try cycling that
Yeah,
key
I don't
switch because I'm not feeling anything.
I don't even smell it. They're off for
And it was working like 2 weekends ago, so.
Gotta get those.
Now I smell it.
Just gonna say that. The sweet smell of heat.
Cessna 466 Quebec block 3272.
3272 for Cessna 66 Quebec.
Dallas 4723, contact Chicago Center 127.55. Good day.
2755, thanks for the help. Dallas 4723.
Inside.
$6,500, 1,000 to go.
Cool. See both shorelines today, for sure.
Yeah.
Air 66 Quebec, my frequency 134.6.
134.6, we're on this right now. 66 Quebec.
66 Quebec, roger. The weather at Pellston 1254, automated wind 340 at 4, altimeter 3016. Let's see if there's any NOTAMs, nothing pertinent.
Okay, thanks. 66 Quebec.
All right, welcome back, everybody. We had a beautiful flight here. We're just cruising. It's been smooth. A little bit of a headwind, but nothing too much to complain about. We're about 12 minutes from Pellston, but we're going to go by Pellston and go up to the Mackinac Bridge and take a spin around there in Mackinac Island so you can see that beautiful part of Michigan, and then come back to Pellston for landing. So we're just about over Petoskey, Michigan, and Little Traverse Bay. And I think we'll start a descent here soon, and just to kind of get down to about probably, I don't know, 2,500 or so to see the bridge a little bit closer.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. We had, ground speed of 164 knots back there, and now it's 178.
Yeah, we've been picking it up, and once we kind of climbed out from after the Bravo airspace of Chicago, we gained a little bit more speed too at 7,500 here. So lighter headwinds, smooth air, clear skies, and sunny.
Minneapolis Center, good afternoon, actually good morning.
Beautiful day for flying.
Smooth ride for you, a little light chop over Lake Michigan, then smooth out again.
I thought it was a lot smoother over Lake Michigan than it was over land, but it's even smoothed out over here.
Yeah, we had a couple bumps there on Muskegon, but
Yeah, no biggie.
so you can see Charlevoix right there,
Sure.
and Lake Charlevoix here.
Is that a power plant or something, or?
I can't remember what that is. I think, yeah, I don't recall.
That's nice, nice land up here. Beautiful. What's over here on the side of this, the inlet? Looks like a little town or something.
This is Boyne City right here,
Okay.
and they've got a little airport which you can see just to the right of downtown there.
Right there.
Yep. They used to have pretty cheap fuel back in the day, so we'd always go down there from Pellston to fill up.
Minneapolis Center,
Nice.
smooth till you get to Lake Michigan, a little bit of light chop, smooth out again.
So the Boyne City, and then you've got a development kind of right at there by 1130 essentially here.
Okay.
It's called Bay Harbor. And that
up by the water there?
Yeah, and that used to be a cement plant actually.
Oh.
They bought the land, developer bought the land, they actually dug out a little inland harbor and then blasted it to fill it up from water from Lake Michigan. And then to the right, you've got Petoskey. And then across,
there we go.
Across the Little Traverse Bay here is Harbor Springs, and once we get a little closer, you'll see a peninsula, a little peninsula, which we call Harbor Point. There's a summer home association on Harbor Point there, and basically you have to like have family that's had a place and or buy one from with an approval from the association.
Wow.
But the water in the Harbor Springs behind the point, it gets down to I think about 350, 400 feet deep. So you'll see actually, freighters come in and when the weather is inclement and come in for protection in this little harbor here.
That was 48.
That's pretty wild.
987, contact Minneapolis, sorry, contact Cleveland Center, 133.8.
Why don't we start down at 2500 and want to let them know?
That works. And center, Twin Cessna 466, Quebec, we're going to start a VFR descent into Pellston.
466 Quebec, maintain VFR.
VFR 466 Quebec.
Delta 1422, Quebec Shea. Sorry, Delta 1424, Quebec Shea.
Let's get the... I will wait on getting the weather because we're going to go by to the bridge.
That works.
157 Kilo Charlie, was it?
Amazing how the weather really cleared out. It was so crappy yesterday.
Yeah.
646 type aircraft destination.
All right, and you see the bay here now, Little Traverse Bay.
I do.
And you see if you're going from left to right, this little lighter brown strip that opens up there.
I do.
That's Harbor Springs Airport.
Oh, no kidding.
And then Harbor Springs is to the left right there. So it's kind of smack dab between Harbor Springs and Petoskey.
Cool. No kidding. So I could go into Harbor Springs.
Yeah, you could. It's, let's see here, 4,100 feet.
Oh yeah, piece of cake. And then a little bit further inland, halfway through, that is Pellston?
It is, the clearing there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Like we've got a freighter or a barge out there, huh?
Yeah.
63 Charlie X-ray, Minneapolis Center Squawk 2462 type aircraft destination.
And that's Beaver. There, Beaver Island.
Oh, yeah, it's not that far out there. I thought it was like, yeah. Then again, like the land a little bit further, what I'm seeing is probably the Upper Peninsula, mainland, right?
Yeah, probably. I mean, it's from the bay to Beaver Island is 26 nautical miles.
Contact 5 miles south of Traverse City Airport, altimeter there 3015.
Not bad. I thought it was like 50 something. That's cool.
6 Quebec, contact second approach 126.45. Remember 63 Charlie X-ray radar contact 20 miles east of Pellston Airport, Pellston altimeter 3016A, the altitude please. Air 63 Charlie, that checks.
Here's Petoskey, a little closer.
Very cool.
We've got a lighthouse on a pier there, and then you can start to see the point now in Harbor Springs.
Totally.
And then you see this, the development here, that's what I was talking about with the harbor that they built.
Yes.
That used to be the cement plant, and they blasted all it out.
Wow. That's one heck of an impressive building down there, too, with the red roof.
Yeah, I think that's like a hotel that they have there.
That is cool. My wife and I stayed at the Grand Hotel.
Oh, Mackinac?
Yeah. That was our wedding gift from really good friends of ours.
7640 Minneapolis Center.
2 nights stay.
My classmate in middle school and high school. His dad used to be the manager at the Grand Hotel. His family owns the Iroquois Hotel.
Wild. Yeah, we owned a 182 at the time and flew it up here. About 2 hour and 10 minute flight. Yeah, we rented some bicycles and biked around the island, and yeah, it was fun. Can't wait to do that again.
Delta 2820 Minneapolis Center, roger. Reset the transponder, please. Squawk 2416, I have a request.
Is this for skiing here? Is that little...
Yeah, so this is Nub's Knob.
2820.
It's a local ski hill, and then right across from it is Boyne Highlands.
Okay.
So they still got some snow, it looks like.
Yeah, I was going to say, how is that? Are they producing snow, or is that just leftover?
They make snow, but I mean, their season's done now. I think they're closed.
Just verify 360.
But if it's a good year, they'll be open before Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah. Here's Harbor Springs on the left.
Very cool.
And then the airport down there.
Very awesome. That's cool.
Reach 307 Tango Z,
Have to get some
Minneapolis
tip
Center.
tank
Good
porn
afternoon.
here.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah. All right, you want to cancel with them, and we'll just...
United 207, contact Minneapolis Center 123.72. Have a good day.
At Minneapolis, Twin Cessna 466, Quebec, I'd like to cancel radar service. We're going to be switching over to Pellston here.
Okay, about 3 of you calling here at the same time. 66 Quebec, you said you got Pellston Airport in sight?
Pellston Airport in sight, I'd like to cancel radar service.
66 Quebec, radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, can you change approved? Have a good day.
Thanks, see you, 66 Quebec.
Convoy 4121, I believe you were the next one there.
Yeah, they got some snow. Yeah, you're right, season's done, but they got a little bit of stuff.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's lots of patches on the hill there.
Yeah. Still shocking there's that much snow.
Wow, they probably had it. I mean, they got a lot of snow up here this year.
Yeah.
So the base is probably just monstrous.
Yeah.
The ski hill has the lifts colored, so you know where you are. So there's the red, the yellow, the green, the blue, the purple chair.
Yeah, I see the yellow,
orange
the blue
on the backside.
That's cool. Good old Mackinac Island.
Yeah, so you can see the Grand Hotel. It's like
yeah, totally.
right straight ahead of us, not on the left side.
Totally. This little island over there, bigger island, is really nothing happening, right?
Not much. They have an airport. It's Bois Blanc Island, and the airport is public. It's 3,500 feet.
Wild.
Paved.
Anything to do on that island?
I don't know. I've never been. I think my dad might have a friend that has a place over there. I'll have to ask him.
Huh. What's that airport again?
Sheboygan.
Sheboygan. Oh, I can never remember that. I think I said Sandusky, right? That's
yeah, first time. Yeah, a little bit of wind on the water here.
Yeah. That's what connects the north to the south, huh?
Yeah. It was the world's longest suspension bridge at one time.
Wow.
I think it was built. And then this is I-75 right here.
Yeah.
That comes up from Detroit, essentially, and Florida, actually. Go all the way to Florida on that road.
No kidding.
But yeah, when I just doing my private pilot license training, I would just we do night flying. We come up here and go around the bridge or stuff like that.
That's cool.
I'll go kind of around the bridge here and then back to Pellston.
Awesome. I don't even know what that's going to look like.
We'll find out. You ready? We'll start to turn left.
Nice coordinated turn. That thing's not moving. I love it.
Awesome bridge.
Pretty awesome. I love it.
A couple boats right there.
Oh yeah. Do a little fishing.
Looks like, maybe even like paddling or something. Looks like some
Oh,
kayakers.
yeah. There's some guys
Because they got
there.
some, like a kind of a chase boat with them, looks like, or two.
Huh. Got a nice freighter going on right there.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Yeah, definitely some kayakers with a chase boat or crew or like rowing some sort.
Huh. Pretty awesome.
Regional Airport, Pellston, Michigan. Automated weather observation 1357 Zulu. Wind 020 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 06 Celsius. Dew point -08 Celsius. Altimeter 3016. Remarks. Density altitude -400. Pellston Regional Airport, Pellston, Michigan. Automated weather observation 1358 Zulu. Wind 030 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature.
Alright, so we'll take runway 5 then.
Beautiful.
We're perfectly set up for left downwind for that. Gas is on the mains, fuel pumps on. Undercarriage will come down a bit, mixture relief set, props are set, seat belts are fastened, Effie's ready to land.
Effie, you ready to land?
Hell yeah.
Like, yeah, I gotta go potty.
Pellston traffic, twin Cessna 466 Quebec, left downwind runway 05, Pellston.
Okay, blocked again. I'm going to try this for the third time, and hopefully we don't get interrupted again. Did you say the limo was there? Thank you. Sorry about that. We kept getting blocked here. You betcha.
Pellston traffic twin Cessna 46 expect turning left base runway 05 Pellston. Starting to see some buds on these trees with all the little red.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Cool. Clear right, clear left.
Turn right.
Pellston traffic twin Cessna 46 expect turning for final runway 05 Pellston. Three greens.
Great. Oh man, it turned off at some point.
Oh, really?
Can't believe it. Damn it. I think I gotta get a little better with these things. So that's what I'll play with when we're in the back.
And Pellston traffic twin Cessna 466 expect clear all runways Pellston. All right, well, nice flight.
That was great. Smooth as silk.
Yeah. Thanks again for joining us on Between Layers Aviation. Fly TJ with us today on a fun flight, working the radios, and Princess Effie in the back. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for a lot more that's going to come out. And until next time, we'll see you then. Take care.